Welcome to WizzKidz TV. This is a puzzle about our emotions. We have shy, happy, tired, and surprised. Let's see if we can find all the pieces that match surprised.
Let's go!
Does this look right to you? No. How about this one? Does this look correct? No. I wonder if this is the right piece. Yes. We need to find one more. Let's find the right piece to this puzzle.
Let's go!
Is this correct? No. How about this one? That's not the right piece. What about this? Yes, we found the matching pieces. He is surprised. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. Is this the right puzzle? No. How about this? No. What about this one? Does that look right to you? Yes. Let's find his hair. Could it be this one? No. What about this one? That doesn't look right. Could it be this one? Let's find out. We found the right pieces.
Yay!
He is happy. Let's do another one. Let's find the right pieces to this one. Is this the right piece? Yes. How about this one? Does that look right to you? No. What about this one? Yes, she is shy. Let's do the last piece. Let's match this. Is this right? No. How about this? That looks so silly. Let's try this. Yes. What about now? Does that look right to you? Yes, we've completed the puzzle. She is very tired. Happy, shy, tired, and surprised. Thank you so much for helping me match all the pieces of the puzzles. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!